In this video, I'll show you how to rotate screen in Windows 11. Let's say, for example, that you have installed a secondary monitor, or if you're just using your main monitor and you wanted it flipped, all right? Could be portrait, landscape, or portrait flip, or landscape flip. Now, the way to do so is just by right-clicking on the blank space on your screen, then go ahead over to display settings. All right, just click on it and this page will pop up. As you can see here, this is my main monitor, which is number 1. And this is my second monitor that is flipped or is set to portrait. All right. Now I'm just going to select on monitor 1 as this is the current monitor that my OBS or my recording software is capturing. All right. Again, I'm going to click on it and make sure that it is highlighted. Now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. All right. And as you can see here, under scale and layout, you'll find display orientation. Now what we're going to do here is just click on the drop down, click on it, and as you can see, portrait, landscape flip, or portrait flip is available. Say for example, I'm going to select on portrait right here. My head is literally slanted right now. I'm just going to revert changes, and as you might see there in the recording that it hasn't been flipped or set to portrait, as I don't know about OBS or my recording software why it does that thing. But that's basically how you rotate your screen in Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.